Reading Pioneers is proud to present The Best Easter Prize, written by Kristina Evans, illustrated by John Wallace. "Good morning, sunshine," Mommy said. "Happy Easter!" I splashed in the bath. Then I got dressed. I put on my white tights, shiny shoes, pretty pink dress, and a new Easter bonnet. Mommy had shiny shoes and a new hat, too. Daddy said we looked like twins. I sat down in our family pew, second one from the front. "Mind your dress," Mommy said. "Let us pray," said the pastor, so I prayed for my family, my friends, and my dog, Scruffles. After church, all the kids ran outside for the 100-egg hunt. The church lady announced, "You have 15 minutes to find as many eggs as you can. Then run back to the finish line. Whoever has the most eggs will win a special prize." All the kids started running every which way. Candace found a pink egg. Victor found an orange one. Lizette found a yellow one, a red one, and a striped one. Lizette is always lucky. My basket was still empty. "Be patient," I told myself. I looked in the tall grass, behind the trees, and under the flowers. I saw one, but Timothy got there first. I saw another, but Janice got there first. "Only 5 minutes left," the church lady called. I zigged and zagged. I went right and left. Finally, I found my first egg, then my second, a third, and a fourth. I looked under a bush and found 10 beautiful eggs, just waiting for me. I had 14 eggs in all. 2 minutes, the church lady called. I ran to the finish line with my basket full of eggs when... Oops! Down I went, and all of my eggs fell to the ground. I picked up my eggs and ran to the finish line. But then I saw Abigail sitting against a tree. She was crying. She hadn't found any Easter eggs at all. "Here, have some of mine." I gave Abigail some of my Easter eggs. She smiled. "Let's finish the race together. Take my hand." Abigail and I skipped across the finish line. The church lady announced that Candace was the winner with 16 eggs. "Good job, Candace," I said. "Thanks. It was cool that you shared your eggs with Abigail," she said. "Do you want a chocolate bunny?" Of course, I said, laughing. Then Candace passed out treats to everyone. I guess sharing with friends is the best Easter prize of all. The end. There are 100 eggs in this book. Can you find them all? Hint: don't forget to count the eggs on the covers too. Thank you everyone for joining us today with the story, The Best Easter Prize. What did you think? Comment below your thoughts about the story, and I'd love to hear about your stories related to Easter egg hunting. I also want to send a thank you to my niece, Elise, because she helped get this book so I could share it with you guys. If you have any recommendations for books you'd like for me to read on this channel, then send me an email, contact@readingpioneers.com, so that I can hear about your suggestions and recommendations for future uploads. Until the next upload, here are some other seasonal and holiday-specific videos that you may enjoy. Well, that's all the time we have for this story. So, until next time, I hope you guys have an amazing day. Bye-bye.